Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can add a clock widget into your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So if you are not satisfied with a clock tray on your Windows like here, then what you'll have to do is you need to add a clock widget that you can clearly see right here on your desktop. Now the question is, how can you add a clock widget into your Windows when there is no available clock widget in your Windows 11. Now we are going to download a third-party application or software for that. So let's visit the Microsoft Store. Type here in the Windows search bar Store. Best Match Microsoft Store. You have to go and click on that. Then here in the Microsoft Store search bar, type clock widget and then hit enter. Now you'll find the first option, Widget Launcher. Widget Launcher is the next generation of gadgets for Windows 11. Now you have to click on this. So this has also high ratings, 4K ratings, and this has garnered 4.5 stars. Now you have to click on this Get button. Now this is getting things ready. So you just have to wait for this. Now once done, just simply close this Microsoft Store window. Then here in the Windows search bar, let's confirm if we have installed the widget launcher. So type here widget launcher best match. Now click on that. Then here in the widget launcher window, you have these options. You have a lot of widgets right here. So you have calculator, calendar, CPU meter, currency converter, digital clock, notes, RSS feed, slideshow, square clock, unit converter, the weather, and the world clock. Now we are going to add a clock widget. So we have three options right here. We have the digital clock. Click on this. And we are going to try the different clocks right here. So you have the skin. If you want the colorful dark or colorful light, you have to choose what you prefer. Is it dark or light? So I'm going with the light one. Now for the background, you need to choose your background right here. So just simply choose your color. Click on done. For the accent, now choose from this color. Click on done. For the border, click on done. And then for the font color, click on done. And the transparency, you can just simply move this slider for the transparency that you want. And then click on launch widget. Now this is the digital clock that we have just launched. Now let's try the square clock. Colorful light. And then the same colors. But I'll change the font color into black. And then click on done. Then click on launch widget. And then this is the square clock. Now for the last clock, the world clock, change this to colorful light. Still the same colors, the background, the accent, the border, and the font color, and click on launch widget. Now let me close this window first. So we have here the three different versions or styles of clock in the widget launcher. So we have the digital clock, the square clock, and the world clock. So it's up to you on what do you prefer. Then you can just simply use any of this clock widget, as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.